Stay and subscribe for couch cash secrets. Your know-how can pay. Join our free training in the description for digital product how-tos. I got a hilarious story coming up. I'd like you to meet Ginny, a couch potato who wanted money online. She tried selling old DVDs and nothing but crickets. Then she made a $28 Netflix binge-watching guide, posted it on Pinterest, and automated sales. Now she's earning $1,800 a month, and she turned into a motivated creation machine more than ever. Your couch time and your remote time is golden. Want to make money online, but are you too comfy? Have you tried selling garage junk or weird apps? You're clueless on what to sell, and tech's a nightmare. Let's wake up that wallet. Turn your couch into Cash Factory with digital products. Here's the snooze-proof plan. Number 1, nap on your niche. Do you love gaming or crafts? Make a template or ebook. Tech support handles the rest. Number 2, share the chill. Use Instagram stories or emails to sell. And yes, effort is required. Number 3, automate the nap. Set the sales on autopilot for 90% profit while you binge. Beat the garage sale, solve problems, and cash in. Are you too lazy to fail? Our free training in the description unlocks digital product cash. Click it. We've napped through online money fails, and we've tried almost everything. Our digital product system with tech support works, and we're here to keep you comfy. Real flops for real fixes. Are you ready to cash in? Grab our free training in the description below to create, sell, and automate your digital product. Like, subscribe, and let's chill to the riches. See you in the next video.